Woo, hey everyone, this is Dara from Daily Crypto Chasing. It's coming to you live from somewhere in Asia, guys. Great time to be live. And we're going to be talking about a couple of things. XRP consolidation or collapse, we're going to be talking about that. Did the Fed just crash crypto again? And this is related to more tariff poo-poo shmala out there. We're going to be talking about what are some of the predictions for XRP out there, and some interesting Dogecoin news as well. So, you're probably wondering, what's going on with XRP, because we can still see that Bitcoin, despite it's in the red from its highs of 111,000, it's still around 107. So we're still over 100K, which I think is pretty good. But XRP is just not doing as well as it should be, in my opinion. So is it time to get out? Is it time to load up? We're going to discuss that and more. Guys, go down there, smashy the likes out there, and show some love for the OG. I appreciate it. Go back and watch all the other videos, and subscribe, YB, and turn on all notifications. I appreciate that. And yeah, check out my links down there, trading links, buy the channel coffee, support the channel with some love. I would appreciate that. So let's jump into content without any further freaking delay, guys. So yeah, right now we are seeing that Bitcoin is at 107,994. That's 108. So it's not bad, right? If we put things into perspective of where Bitcoin was 20th of April, it was at 86, right? If we put it in perspective where Bitcoin was let me get my face out of the way. If we put it in perspective where we were on May 25th, we hit a high of 103. So overall, we're not doing too badly out there. I think we're not doing too badly. Okay, from my perspective. Yeah, we've had a little bit of turbulence. This is because of the tariff announcement, right? So the Fed is attempting to indirectly, I think, it's not good for crypto, all of this tariff stuff. But unlike China, just like China, once there's a positive momentum in terms of a deal coming to conclusion, we'll see cryptos coming back up again. I definitely believe it. So I think XRP is still, Bitcoin is still pretty strong. Let's take a look at let's talk about the elephant in the room. Let's talk about XRP. Okay, so right now XRP is at 231. Okay, it's breaking down again out there, but I think this is important. Let's go through this. So this is from this guy Hydier. He says the SEC has delayed its decisions on CoinShares' proposed XRP and Litecoin ETF. Okay, pushing reviews past the original May 26 deadline. So remember, XRP was supposed to come out May 26. It's not happening, and now it's more likely that we're going to be in Q4 2025. Analysts have expected approvals by June, but the postponement has adjusted expectation. This is one of the reasons why XRP is down right now. Despite these delays, the SEC acknowledged a new TRX staking ETF by Canary Capital, making a positive sign for cryptos fans hoping to see innovation in ETF offerings. Okay, so Bloomberg James, I'm not going to say his last name because say fart. I guess he got beaten up at school, right? Safe fart. Noted similar delays for other products, including Fidelis ETFs and 5 Solana ETFs filings, while Bitcoin has already seen major success surging past 109, partly due to BlackRock's ETF attention, is now shifting towards XRP, Litecoin, and Solana. Analysts believe that the ETF approval for these tokens could significantly boost their prices, with projections of placing XRP above 250 upon approval. Okay, so, but we're still waiting for that. So once again, the Fed is, is messing with crypto because they're delaying. Okay, stop delaying, stop messing around. We need the ETF for XRP. Let's take a look at what's going on with the Doge right now. Doge right now is looking okay. It's at 22, so this is a key area of support that Doge needs to hold. Doge needs to hold this key 22-cent level, as I told you, because this also puts a Doge above the EMA bands, so that is good. If we contrast that to XRP has collapsed below the EMA bands and is not looking healthy. Our next support level for XRP is around about $25.26. So XRP fundamental is not looking as strong as Doge right now. Update on James Wynn. Looks like 1.2 billion. The 40x Bitcoin whale James Wynn just said Bitcoin is going to 121 next week. I freaking hope so. I freaking hope so. Let's get it, guys, and hopefully that will pull up XRP. Now this is interesting. Okay. Sailors, the only thing better than Bitcoin is more Bitcoin. And if you take a look at the 3-month returns, we can see Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy is up 31%, BT's up 19%, Gold up 14%, Microsoft 11%, Tesla 3%, NVIDIA 1%, but everything else is sucking. So you can see that Bitcoin is a good hedge against everything. So we're seeing that Dogecoin still maintaining uptrend as a bull flag pattern signals 30 cents. So this is looking pretty good. We still have this uptrend. It's still solid. We're still holding the 22-cent level. So that is pretty good for Doge. So Doge is looking stronger than XRP right now. Q2 returns for Bitcoin right now is 29.94%. And Q3 for Ethereum is 38.63. Not too shabby, right? So far, May is looking good at 13.91 out there. I'm happy. I'm happy. You should be happy, guys. If you're holding Bitcoin, you should be extremely happy. You know, there's going to be some peaks and valleys, but I'm getting a little bit disappointed about XRP. We need to giddy on up, because Doge is looking stronger. Doge is looking much stronger. We're seeing right now that mainly longs are being wrecked out there, hence price going down. And a lot of that has to do with the giddiness, the giddiness of the tariffs out there. So this coming in from John Wingett, and what he's saying, just had a meeting with the Ripple team, a great meeting, maybe the greatest meeting in the history of international settlement out there. So Bank Social CEO John Wingett says, just had a meeting with the XRP Ripple team, maybe the greatest meeting in history. So according to this guy, he's saying $10,000 XRP. I freaking hope so. I'd like to buy an island. Who wouldn't? Okay. So here it is. XRP price watch, consolidation or collapse. So the 1-hour chart shows XRP recovering from a sharp drop from 245 to 228. This decline was followed by a series of higher lows suggesting an accumulation phase. Price action has compressed into a narrow consolidation zone between 234 and 236. Let's just confirm that, okay? 234, 236. Okay, where are we right now? Yeah, 231. So it's more like consolidating right now between 235 and 226. Okay, so not 100% accurate, but we'll take it. We'll take it, right? So potential entry strategy would include a stop loss just below 230. The initial target set at 242 and 247, making previous resistance levels. Okay, so I still think that XRP is consolidating. I think we will consolidate and then go up. So if XRP maintains support above 231, which it is right now, and breaks above 237 with accompanying volume, the bullish structure remains intact, and that should take us back up to 247 and beyond. Confirmed reversal on the daily chart could propel XRP and retest 255. So keep an eye on it. If we can stay above here, then we should be back up to 247. Okay, failure to hold 230 support right now may indicate recent consolidation and pause before further downtrend with short-term moving averages signaling weakness in the MACD, suggesting we could go down to 225 and 215 or lower. Okay, so hopefully we can keep the support level for that. I would appreciate it. So Robert Kiyosaki predicts mass financial ruin, sees Bitcoin hitting 1 million. So fiat is toilet paper. We all know that, right? And he's predicting $1 million Bitcoin. That would be cool. I love it. What else is coming in? Are you not ready for 240 per XRP? Like I said, we need to stay above $2.30, and then that will propel us up, guys. So let's keep an eye on that. That is good, right? We just had the meeting. We talked about that. What else is coming in? Looks like Doge approaches a support trend line in the 4-hour time frame. Let's see how Doge goes. So we need the support here. Looking pretty good out there. So from my perspective, Doge is performing a lot better. Looks like Dogecoin car to race in the Indianapolis 500. How to watch bet on driver Devlin DeFranco. So it looks like more eyeballs on the Doge. Heat map. We're still looking good, 108, but everything else is down. Looks like fear and greed is picked up, so not too shabby. And guys, go down, check out my link to BTC. Get 10% bonus on first-time deposits right now. All sign-up can unlock secret community rewards and extra bonus up to $10,000 per user. All users can enjoy 40% trading fees. They got spot, they got copy, they got leverage, guys. So go check it out. My link's down there. Support the channel. I appreciate it. I would appreciate it. So Dogecoin rebound from a lower support zone with broadening wedge. Quick surge to $1 possible. Let's hope so, guys. Let's get this freaking $1, guys. So that's all I got. I'll see you in the freaking next time. Peace out.